Hello guys, this is AXOR and today in this video I'm going to reveal my new helmet. So how I got my new helmet? Long story short, I went to the bike store to buy the new gloves as my previous gloves got pretty much old and torn too, and as every biker I am always interested in the new stuff coming up in the store. So there I saw the new AXOR Apex Charcoal. So now I'll show you the real in-hand feel of the new charcoal. So guys, this is the new charcoal, the new Apex charcoal from AXOR, and there are so many things that I like about this helmet. So let me cover the basic things before. For AXOR, this looks really cool because this is 3D. This looks really cool. The 3 vents. This helmet is having 3 vents, 2 up front and on the head and 1 on the front. There are 3 things that I like about this helmet because they come factory fitted when I bought the helmet, and these are first the tinted visor. This looks really cool, the golden purple visor. This looks so mean when you ride the bike. After that, this is having the pin lock, the integrated pin lock. I didn't have to bought it from the bike from the another store, is from the factory itself. And the last thing, the third thing is, I'll show you. You have to be delicate with your helmets. The third thing is the sunblind that we get here. Have the protection here. So pretty cool. So guys, the shark eyes on this helmet look so mean when you ride, and the most meanest thing on this helmet is the mouth of the shark. This looks so mean when my friends told this is the meanest thing that on the road. So guys, let's come to the price. The main thing, the price of this helmet is, I think that is very reasonable because the design, the elements that I get on this helmet usually go up to 8,000 rupees Indian rupees, 9,000 Indian rupees, but I got this helmet for 5,500 rupees from the store. And that's why guys, this is the new AXOR Apex Charcoal, and this is on signing off, and I'll meet you in the next one.
27 hearts beat.
One.